Puffy the Cat.
Oh, hello. You're probably wondering why I'm driving. Well, I'm going to my Uncle Aries' house for the first time. He doesn't know that I'm coming, though. It'll be a surprise. We're getting close. I better put on the brakes. Make sure I look okay. Good, good. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's go to the door and see if he's there. I'll knock on the door. Oh, it opened. Uncle Aries, are you there? Uncle Aries. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Uncle Aries. Oh, I know. I wanted to come over and say hello. I almost didn't recognize you. Are you growing a mustache? You know, Uncle Aries, someone told me that you're writing a rap song. Is this true? That was amazing. You know, Uncle Aries, let's play a game. Let's see who can make the funniest face. Now it's your turn. Oh, Uncle Aries, this is funny, very funny. I think you won. Oh, yes, she's doing great, she's doing great. Oh, yes, I would love to see your fish collection. Wow, Uncle Aries, you got a lot of fish. This is my favorite one right here, because it has a colorful tail. Oh, Uncle Aries, I got an idea. Let's play hide and seek. You find me first, okay? This'll be fun. Okay, count to 10. Oh, let's go in this room. Let's go in this room. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's see. I gotta go find a hiding place. We're gonna go over here. Let's go. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, I'm gonna go and find another hiding place. Come, let's go, let's go. Let's see, what should I hide next? Oh, over here, no. Oh, wait, oh, I think it's coming. Oh no, oh no, oh. Uncle Aries, slow down. Oh, who turned out the lights? Is that you, Uncle Aries? Oh, it is you. Well, Uncle Aries, I think that's all the excitement that I can handle for one day. I had a lot of fun. Yes, yes. Okay, we'll have to do this again soon. Have a good day.